Matter 1.4.2 update. What's new and what it means for your smart home. Wi-Fi only commissioning. Wi-Fi only commissioning lets devices join a Matter network directly over Wi-Fi, reducing hardware costs and enabling firmware upgrades. Stronger security. 3 security enhancements: vendor ID verification, access restriction lists, and certificate revocation lists ensure only genuine, safe devices connect to your network. Smarter scenes. Certifiable scenes support time-based actions and require fewer commands, delivering faster, more reliable automations across multiple brands. Quieter networks. Quieter reporting reduces redundant updates, lowering network traffic for improved battery life and faster response times in busy smart homes. Easier device updates. Standardized firmware announcements let devices reveal new features automatically, avoiding tedious remove and re-add setups after every update. No more duplicate devices. Each controllable endpoint now receives a permanent universal ID, eliminating duplicate listings and simplifying your smart home app organization. Robot vacuums get smarter. Standardized robot vacuum commands ensure consistent behavior across brands, allowing seamless cleaning jobs without unnecessary cancellations. Bigger networks for bigger homes. Increased requirements: 150 device thread routers and 100 device Wi-Fi access points with target wake time. Support larger, more efficient smart homes. Better certification. Updated testing processes better vet devices before release, ensuring faster availability of reliable, well-tested smart home products.
Go to GearBrain for more information.